Today I will show you how to do a pull sit split, or also this is a split variation of Hello Boys. If this has another name, somebody please let me know. I don't know the name for it. So first I will demonstrate. So first I'll show you kind of what this looks like from the floor. So you're coming into your classic hand like you're holding a drink or a mug. Hand goes underneath one of the legs, and a lot of people get confused by this grip, but your thumb will be up and your wrist, try to keep it as straight as possible and keep it underneath that leg. If you start to notice your wrist is kind of bending different ways, I would revisit this another day, maybe add a little bit of grip on your hands to help you. But we just don't want to develop a wrist injury from pressure on the wrist when it is bent. Okay, so your hand goes under one leg, and then your straight leg comes up towards your same side shoulder, so that it is almost like, this kind of a split position, but you're turning toward your leg that is down. You're turning toward your arm that is holding the cup underneath your leg. I'll talk you through it as I demonstrate it again. That will be more helpful. But it is definitely twisted. So the leg that comes up towards your same side shoulder, your body's turning away from that leg, and it's heavily twisted. This requires a lot of grip strength. So yeah, I would definitely recommend grip on your hands. And it gets quite heavy on your hands and the grip. So don't feel badly if you can't quite get it, or if it just feels like you're gonna slip out of it. I mean, definitely use a mat for safety, but that might mean your grip strength might just need a little bit more work. So here we go, let's try. So come into a sit. I bring the top hand about a foot from the thigh, maybe a little more than a foot. And then this bottom hand comes holding your drink right under the leg. I lean over to the side. My body is tilted and my chest is pointed away. It's not pointed up to the ceiling, it's pointed away. And then I bend this leg and bring it up. And then as soon as I get comfortable, then I arch and thrust the hips up. Let's wipe that pole, get some water, and I'll show you again. Spin a little faster with this one. It will help you stick to the pole as well. So I lower the hand, bring it in a cup grip, lean to the side. I push the bottom glute onto the pole. So this top leg that is reaching towards the same side shoulder, I lift it up, but I am squeezing the heck out of it, trying to drive it towards the shoulder as much as I can. And then once I get comfortable in it, I definitely lift the chest a little bit, but I push the bottom booty cheek into the pole and I mash it into the pole to get additional grip support. I'll show you again. And I keep my stronger arm as the top arm. I do think that is pretty important because that's the arm. I mean, we want to try both sides. So do your other side because it might surprise you. It might be a better split side, but practice both sides. But if you have a performance or a competition, I do the stronger arm on top. So that is how we do the pull sit split, or the Hello Boys split.